Hey everybody, just want to touch base with you guys and let you know what's going on. Concrete season's pretty much over for us. We've been out hunting and stuff. We got a lot of concrete done this year. I posted a lot of videos. We got snow now. I don't deal with the concrete too much in the winter. What I do in the winter, just so everybody knows, is I fix up houses. I'll buy some distressed houses and we work on them in the winter time, and we get into a lot of different stuff. So just giving you a heads up, we're going to be posting a lot of new videos and some good content on fixing these houses up. I got one that I'm working on in particular that we're going to be doing some radiant heat work in there. It was pretty much, we gutted the whole thing. We got the house outside all done, new roof, new siding, but we're going to be working on the inside. We got to do some drywall work. Like I said, radiant heat, we're hooking up a HTP crossover water heater for radiant heat application. We're going to be putting some radiant heat on top of a concrete floor with some tubing in there. Just hooking up a propane system for our hot water, which is the HTP. We got to get a propane tank set. I mean, it's snowing outside, so we got to get some heat into this house. And just wanted to let everyone know I'm going to be posting some good content. We're working on a truck this winter. We got a F100 1970 F100 truck that we're working on. We're going to try to get some video footage of that. I wanted to show everybody my wood boiler that we built last year. We're going to be getting some video footage of that, tweaking that. We got that running now. It's heating my house, my shop, everything. I want to show some people how we did that. We built a couple of them actually, but each one's a little bit different, so I can give you some insight on how we did that. Just stay tuned. I haven't posted very many videos because I've been out hunting the last at least a month or so. We got some meat in the freezer, so we're getting back at the building. We're going to be in this house all winter long. We got to do some drywall work, some flooring. List goes on and on. Electrical work. I got some panel box stuff I want to show you that we moved a panel box. There was a fire in there. So just letting you know. Stay with us. Thanks for watching my videos, and we'll be talking to you. Thanks.